You got it?
On January 15th, 2025, during a routine traffic patrol, Officer Tommy stopped Carissa and her partner Joe because her license was suspended. Calmly, Carissa explained that she had paid the fine and was just waiting for the system to update so she could drive again. In a pleading voice, she asked not to have her car towed. Facing her honesty and cooperation, Tommy listened and calmly replied, "If everything is as you say, I will just write a ticket. I will not tow your car."
I have an ID on me.
That's fine.
They wouldn't give me my driver's license because it's still in the computer and suspended.
I can have someone from you.
But I was just at the DMV today and got that. Like, I paid the vacated fee. I just gotta wait for a couple weeks. You can look it up in Knox County.
Is that where you got jammed up, is Knox?
Well, it was from when I got into the accident that destroyed like my whole life. I got an improper child restraint, but she was proper restraints. Judge vacated the ticket.
Alright, Carissa, you know me. I'm always trying to be fair to you. Okay, I'm not gonna try to screw you over. Alright, if that's the case, I'll go look at my computer, do some digging. I'm not gonna try to take your car. Alright, you have an ID on you, boss?
I don't.
Can I get what's your name, bro?
Joseph.
Hold on 1 second, man. I got too many things in my hand. Son of a... I'm sorry I dropped your license, Carissa.
And yes, you can search me if you want to.
Do you want papers?
No. But I have background that you just give me permission to search me if you need to.
Sounds good, man. You got warrants or anything like that, brother?
No. There's nothing else.
What do you got, weed?
No, it's paraphernalia. It's clean stuff. And I do have these parts. I'm been clean. I have to be 30 days clean to go to rehab, and I'm going to do my probation.
You've been clean?
Yeah.
I don't want to get poked.
Besides weed, I just hand these out because I know a lot of people that use them.
I didn't mean to do that again, brother. What's your first name, man? Joseph?
Joseph.
Can you spell hard for me? And then what's your birthday? Appreciate it, man. Alright, Chris, so let me go do some digging. I'll try to just cut you a ticket and not take your car, okay? I appreciate you guys being decent with me, alright?
Thank you so much.
Hey, Carissa.
Right here. No.
We're just going to visit real quick, okay? I'm going to hold up my end of the deal, okay? I'm only going to write you a ticket. I'm not going to take your car, okay? I appreciate you being honest with me about everything. I'm going to be transparent. You look way better than the last time I saw you.
I'm
assuming
clean, I'm trying.
sober.
I have
okay.
to get my kids back there.
I'm
fighting.
I'm glad to hear that, okay? Obviously, you admitted there's a little bit of weed in the car.
It's right here.
Okay,
You
that's
need my
fine.
weed.
Well, I'm just going to, can I see it?
It's a pen in this.
Okay, can you hand your purse to Deputy Pals real quick?
No. Why? I guess.
Because that's the square shoe.
I guess.
Okay, here's that bag for you,
I don't like
okay?
handing my purse to people.
Here's the deal, okay? You got it?
Yes.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as it's just user amounts of weed in your car, we're going to be on your way.
That's
okay?
That's all I've
Okay,
got.
does he have anything?
No.
Okay.
He doesn't smoke weed.
Does he have anything illegal?
No.
No meth, heroin,
No.
not illegal like
He
that?
wants
Besides the
to
needles you
try-
already showed me?
The needles are clean. I get a box of 100 from
You
Perfectly
satisfied
Flawed.
with that?
I haven't even looked.
Okay.
From Perfectly Flawed, and I hand them out to people that are up here. I was using them, I'm not gonna lie, but I quit using that stuff, and I know that there's still, all my friends, they like to, and I don't like to watch people reuse or...
Well, that's
so,
responsible.
Yes. I mean, it's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to do that and then collect dirty ones, but I don't collect the dirty ones.
I wouldn't mess with your needles. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Chris, do you have anything on your person?
No.
Okay. I appreciate it. I'm going to take your word for it. There's going to be a few people to come out here. We're not going to do what we did last time, right?
I'll squat and cough. I'll dig if I have to.
No,
but
I
there's
know,
nothing
we're
in there.
good. All right.
I swear to God.
Is your dog friendly?
Yes.
Okay, does he have a leash for him?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So most of the time we don't, but
Have a
yes.
seat. As long as everything checks out, you guys can call for a valid driver, okay? Your court
Yes.
date's on there. It's
Can you
February
get my
20th.
phone so I can
Yeah,
start calling?
I can grab your phone. Yep, that's your court date's February.
Now, if I show up and I just have proof that it was vacated,
That would probably look good for you, but I can't make any promises of how the court's going to go for you, all right?
I was so happy.
You up out for me, boss? All right, brother. I know you said I could search you. We're just going to go back here real quick. Do you have a leash for your pup?
I believe it's on her.
Okay.
It could be.
So obviously there's a little bit of weed. She admitted there's a little bit of weed, man. Just put your hands right there. As long as there's just a little bit of weed in the car, man, No one's gonna get jammed up for it or anything like that. If you can't tell, I work on honesty, man. If there is something, even like a bubble or something inside the car, man, if you just tell me about it, man, we can probably work something out on the side of the road. If I have to go in there and find it, obviously it'd be a different story, okay? But if you're just being straight with me, man, we'll shake hands and you'll be on your way, okay? I'm gonna believe the stuff that people hide in flashlights, man.
Open it up.
Well, the light turned on, man, so...
Shit, you'd be surprised that shit works too.
Alright, brother.
It's clean.
That's clean, man. That's not looking too well for you, though, okay? Is there gonna be a used bubble in there, man?
No.
Is there gonna be meth in there? Secure, go 30. That is clean, man. I will give you that, okay? That is clean, okay? If there's dirty or anything else in there, keep facing, brother, so I can check your inside pockets, man, on your pet. Got your phone in there?
Yep.
Okay. It's cold weather, man.
You're unbuttoning it too. You need some stuff. I just opened that. Damn, it's cold.
I don't know, man. You can take your Gatorade back. I'm just gonna hang on to that real quick. I'll give it back to you, okay?
What's your name, brother? Joe.
Joe, come with me. Hey, you want a dog out?
Oh yeah, you want to grab your dog, man? You can put the dog in the back of the car.
Yeah. I don't want you to freeze, and I don't want your dog to freeze either.
Oh, big girl.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Christmas present for my son who didn't come to the visit with that I had today.
The gun?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I'm not worried about the gun. It's a BB gun. I put it in the trunk, okay?
Okay. That's
the
what we were worried
pills.
about.
Whose are all these?
With him. I gotta tell you, I don't know which one's which.
So I'm just gonna be transparent with you, okay?
Those are lorazepam.
Okay. That's not how you get it from the prescription.
No, but it's easier not to carry a bunch of bottles, and then I got sleeping pills from a friend because I have a hard time sleeping now that...
1 second, Carissa. Wait, Carissa, you're not gonna hit yourself in the head with the handcuffs this time around?
Can I smoke my weed pen?
Yeah, that's fair, yeah. Let me roll the window down, okay? Do you need these pills to go with us to the hospital, to the jail, or do you need these pills to stay in the car? What was that? Let me roll the window down, okay?
Can you give him this? You've already searched it. You know there's nothing in it.
You want him to have it? What do you want me to do with these pills?
Which the ones?
The ones that are actually not controlled substances.
I mean, I'm not gonna get him in jail, so they might as well go back in my car.
And you want
he gonna get in trouble for having them?
These aren't controlled substances.
Okay. Then just put them in the car.
Okay, I'm gonna put them in your purse. That way you can say, hey, it's my girl's purse, and that'd be a reasonable explanation here, okay? Is that your boyfriend? Okay. And you want this to go to him? Your
Or
purse?
you can just put it in the car,
Okay.
in the glove box or center console.
Okay. Hey, Joe.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's up,
Hey, man, I'm not gonna jam you up or anything. You've been nothing but cool and respectful with me. I don't know if Deputy Piles had a conversation with you.
Well, we talked.
Okay, so she's got some pills that aren't hers, which is a felony, all right, brother? I can't NTA a felony, all right?
Hey, can I get somebody to come and get
So here's the thing: is she told me she's gonna trust you with her dog, and she's gonna trust you with the car. Okay, I'm not gonna add insult to injury and tone and pound the car.
Okay.
I'm just gonna give you, as your word as a man, you're gonna get somebody to come up here with a valid driver, and then I just don't. Obviously, I have buddies that work in Marshall County. I don't think this is gonna be you by any means because you've been a straight shooter. I don't want a head that's running around as like, now you don't give her a car back or anything like that. But she gave me permission to release the car to
Can
you.
you get her phone and
She
stuff
wants
to
her phone.
Yeah, so that way she has.
Yep, she has her phone. She wanted to put her purse back in there. Okay, I put the bubble in the cup holder, man. It's clean. Okay, so you're not getting charged.
I
Okay.
bought it like 3 days ago for a friend, so I forgot.
I'm not jamming up. You've been nothing but cool with me while we're going down this route. Okay. So I'm gonna get rolling with her, brother. I'm gonna have you get out.
Can I release?
Yeah, you can say. Yeah, you can say goodbye to her. All right, man. You can bring the dog, and then you just hang tight, man. I'm not saying if you drive away from here, you might get pulled over, but obviously, just get a valid driver out here. Right,
No, for sure.
All right.
Slow down.
Hey, Chad, we're walking up on you. She's gonna say goodbye to her. She's gonna say goodbye to her.
I'm just fucking.
Yeah, it's fine, Carissa.
Come on, oh, sorry.
You're good,
Yeah,
dude.
come with me, baby.
Come on, Mary Jane.
Yeah,
Come on,
with
baby.
me.
Come on. Come on. This way.
Yeah, he's good to go. I'm done with him. I'll let you hit that until we get to the jail, okay?
Can I have a cigarette?
You got, where's one at? You want me to grab one off him?
What's up, dude?
Yeah, I have her phone.
Yeah,
Hey, Chad, can you grab a cigarette off of him?
Hey, Joe, you got a cigarette?
You got a lighter, Carissa? No. Okay. I got one. We'll hop out here and let you smoke one, okay? Did I bum the lighter off you, brother?
I'll just take the pack.
Thanks,
and let
man.
her
We'll bring
touch
it back
I
to you.
don't put it on.
You can just hang up on the car, man. You got out for me, Chris. So just go back over here. You got it? Thanks, Jeff. Like I said, man, you're good to go. We're gonna get in a ride out here for you, boss.
Yep, I'm working on that right
and then,
now.
Like I said, she's gonna smoke a cigarette, and I'm gonna
Appreciate that.
get her rolling.
What do you think? You're going to NTA tomorrow, maybe?
I just can't NTA a felony on the side of the
not
road.
NTA. I'm sorry.
I'm assuming, yeah.
Yeah, because they'll normally run. Okay.
She's a non-violent drug offender.
Yeah. Okay. So
And she's just trying to get clean, man. I'm
she
assuming
is. She's doing awesome, dude.
She looks a lot better than the last time I saw her, man. Last time I saw her, we fought on the side of the road.
Well, we've been together for a few months, and we've been both of us have been focused on life, and she's been doing a lot better for
Yeah.
sure. So I appreciate the kindness, and we don't get that very often.
Okay, I got you, brother. Hey, man, just a word to the wise, man. The knife man, I'm assuming you're a convicted
Yeah,
felon.
yes, I forgot all about him, but we had somebody had given us what do they call it, party gifts or whatever.
I'm not
and that
trying to
was-
jam you. I'm just telling you, man, the next guy might, like you said, you don't get a lot of cops are dicks, man. I understand it.
For sure.
But next guy might not be so decent about it, man. So I just make sure, given your background, I know you were respectful of me, but some guys don't care. They hear, they have a
yeah.
background, automatically you're a bad dude. So
Hey, I try to be honest up
yep,
front.
I would just make sure maybe if you're gonna just put that at the house or something, or
Yeah.
not be rolling around with it, all right,
Okay.
man. And you can hop in where it's warm, brother. All right, man.
Yeah,
We're gonna get out of here
I'm gonna
soon.
start it for now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna start the Wilson out here. Like, yeah.
All right, Carissa. Put your hands on her back, okay?
You want that in your pocket first? You want to keep it like that way?
I want to change the head on it before we get there. Can you take this to and tell them that they're in
Is it weed?
Yeah, it's
they're
weed.
in my wallet,
Put it in
and
your
I
mouth.
need the fullest
Put it
one
in your
on there.
mouth.
No.
Put it in your mouth.
Please, there's almost gone.
You're lucky that I'm letting you smoke weed on a traffic stop. I mean, I know it's Illinois, but goddamn.
Yeah.
I waited till I knew I was going to jail.
Well, that was kind of.
I appreciate the respect. I'm gonna double lock him, Crit. And I would cuff you in fun, but last time that really came back to bite both of
Your
us.
forehead bleeds a lot.
Yeah. I don't want to go home covered in your blood today, okay?
It bleeds a lot. This is almost gone. Please, I think it is gone.
Do you realize how nice of I am being you let you smoke weed in the back of a squad car?
Do you realize how calm I'm being, and I really don't want to be?
Well, we appreciate you.
Okay, fair enough. Where's one? Where's one at? Is it in your
my
purse?
wallet.
After the
Okay, we're
arrest,
not gonna go back
Carissa
up
was
that
taken
way.
to a
Just keep
detention
ripping
center
on
to
that.
await legal action,
It's out.
accused of
You want it in
possessing
the car
illegal
'cause the jail will
prescription
throw it
drugs.
away.
The incident ended not with tension or confrontation, but with a
wait.
rare moment of compassion in the performance of official duties, where the law was enforced, but compassion was still present. A small lesson was left. Honesty and kindness, even in the most difficult circumstances, can still give people a second chance.
Don't hit
Share
yourself
your
on the foot,
thoughts
okay?
below and
Easy,
don't
take
forget
your
to like
seatbelt
and
off.
subscribe.
Deal?
Deal.